How to add music to your WhatsApp status. If you want to share a status with music directly from WhatsApp, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're inside WhatsApp, tap on the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. Now tap the Add Status button. Choose whether you want to capture a new photo or video, or select one from your gallery. After your photo or video opens in the status editor, tap the music icon at the top of the screen. Browse or search for the song you want to use, then tap on it. Next, choose the part of the song you want by dragging the slider, then tap Done. If you're adding music to a photo, you can select a clip of up to 15 seconds. If you're posting a video, the music will match the length of the video, up to WhatsApp's supported limit. Once everything looks the way you want, tap the Send button to post your status with music. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.